Hey guys, welcome to BBR Media, and today I'm going to show you the procedure of creating a logo through online with a transparent image.
Go to your Chrome browser and type placeit.net. In the category search, just type the category which the logo you want to make. So my category is game. Just type it game, enter. Here list of logos you can see with the gaming. So I am selecting this logo. At the left side you can see the text and give your logo name. I am giving logo name as Indian Gamer. INDIAN Indian Gamers. And I don't want this gaming logo type. Just I am removing this or untick this. And even you can change the text color also. I'm just clicking on the color tool and I'm selecting the color which I required. Here the color has been changed. Okay, and next procedure, take a screenshot of the logo. And save it on your desktop. After saving the screenshot, go to lunapic.com in a new tab. Just click on upload which you have saved the screenshot. Select the one which you have saved and click on open button. So after that, go to the edit menu and click on transparent background. Again click on the background and save it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye.